You upgrade your phone almost every year. So why is your toothbrush still stuck in the past? For years now, the Philips Sonicare line
Philips Sonicare toothbrush.
Philips Sonicare toothbrush.
Philips Sonicare
has been the king of oral care, well, at least for me. In our household, we've used the Sonicare DiamondClean 9000 for the last few years now. But now there's a new challenger here in town, and it's called the RANVOO AirJet X5, and it uses completely different technology. I'm going to be putting them head to head today to see which one actually deserves a spot on your bathroom counter. Now, a quick disclosure here, the RANVOO AirJet X5 was in fact sent over to me by RANVOO, and they've had no input in this review whatsoever. So let's go ahead and look at the features, the pros and cons of both of these toothbrushes to see which one deserves a spot on your counter. First, the cleaning tech. The Sonicare DiamondClean 9000 is a classic sonic brush. It relies on high-speed vibrations and comes with features like a built-in pressure sensor to let you know if you're brushing too hard. It claims to remove up to 10 times more plaque, and it honestly does a really good job. But the RANVOO AirJet X5 takes a totally different approach using its super cool AirJet technology. So how it works is inside the handle, RANVOO uses a precision pump that mixes air and water to generate millions of micro bubbles. Instead of just scrubbing the surface of your teeth, these bursting bubbles act like a mini water flosser, penetrating deep between the teeth and along the gum line, which is what modern dentists use in their clinics to clean your teeth these days. And RANVOO just downsized that big machine into the palm of your hand. Super cool stuff, and this process helps remove 99% of plaque gently, making it an absolute lifesaver if you have sensitive gums or even braces on. Okay, now let's talk about modes on these toothbrushes real fast. The Sonicare connects to an app and it gives you 4 modes with the 3 different intensities, automatically syncing with its smart brush heads. It's great if you love tracking data on your phone, but these brush heads don't come cheap because of all these sensors, and they range from about $60 to $80 for a pack of 4. The RANVOO X5 skips the smartphone app but gives you an HD display right on the handle of the toothbrush, and it has its own 4 modes: foam, soft, white, and clean. The foam mode is wild. It feels like a refreshing bubble bath for your teeth, which is a totally unique feeling you just don't get with the Sonicare. The RANVOO also includes 3 specific brush heads out of the box, one for gentle gum care, one for multi-action everyday cleaning, and a power whitening head for polishing stains. And whenever you're gonna need new brush heads, you can order some from Amazon for about 20 bucks. You guys can see the difference here. Now, this is where things get really different: battery and design. The Sonicare DiamondClean 9000 gives you about 14 days of battery life, and it uses a cool glass cup charger on your counter. But the RANVOO AirJet X5 destroys that with up to 60 days of battery life on a single charge. Plus, RANVOO made the X5 anti-mold so it stays hygienic over time, which is a much bigger deal than you might think. On a normal toothbrush, that gross black buildup at the base isn't just an eyesore, it's actively breeding harmful bacteria and fungi. Transferring that mold back into your mouth every time you brush can cause severe bad breath, triggering allergic reactions, and it even leads to actual oral infections or worsening gum inflammation. To completely solve this, RANVOO coated the X5 in a 99% anti-mold nano-silicone material and gave it a magnetic wall mount for storage. It keeps your counter completely clean, clutter-free, and most importantly, mold-free. But in my personal usage, to be totally fair to the Sonicare, if you're traveling, the DiamondClean does come with a slick USB charging travel case, whereas the X5 doesn't even have a direct USB-C port on the handle itself to charge. You have to use the charging dock to charge it. So in case you're going to be traveling on a long trip or something, either make sure you charge it fully or take the charger along. So after all that, what's the verdict? If you want app connectivity and proven high-speed sonic vibrations, the DiamondClean 9000 is still a solid choice. But if you want next generation tech without the harsh scrubbing, hate changing your toothbrush every 2 weeks, and want that water flosser like deep clean, the RANVOO AirJet X5 is the absolute winner here. And for a fraction of a cost too. Now, as always, you don't have to just take my word for it. You can click the link in my description to go read the Amazon reviews for yourselves. The RANVOO AirJet X5 comes in a few awesome colors like the gray, white, blue, purple, and a limited edition pink as well. I've got an exclusive 5% off discount code for you guys. Check out the pinned comment and the link in the description below to grab your AirJet X5 today. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.